All right, so I got this question from a reader in our trading community. Hello, Mike. How are you doing? I hope you had a great weekend. I have a question for you about what could a trader do with limited funds to get started in SMB? I suppose he means SMB training. Currently, I'm reading your book, One Good Trade, and taking notes. It is eye-opening and inspiring, especially about Bruce Kovner. I am in a similar situation. I'll be working 2 jobs soon. One job strictly on the weekends and another working an evening shift, essentially working 7 days a week so I could have some free time during market hours to paper trade. I'm willing to do that because I do believe that you need the best training to become the best in any field that a person pursues. I'm saving up for the live training, SMB Foundation. I find that I learn best in person rather than online. What could I do before coming to New York to train? Please keep in mind that I'm totally new to trading. What courses at SMB would be a good primer to take before entering SMB Foundation? Mike, your thoughts would be greatly appreciated and valuable to me to get on the right track. Thanks for taking the time out of your day to help a trader find his way. Have a great day, Mike. Given what you wrote above, I would recommend that you sign up for this webinar, and you can see the link here, to see if SME DNA is right for you. That is a great start, a great primer for Foundation. SME DNA extracts 8 core training principles from SMB Foundation and creates a trader training course worth consideration for a new and developing trader. Also, those who take SME DNA and seek to train even more seriously, well, they're offered an opportunity to apply DNA's training cost to Foundation. So you don't have to stress about choosing the right course initially for you. One of our firm traders who mentor students in Foundation asked me, what's the primary purpose for SME training students for the overall firm? And I said, to meet traders who we want to hire at the firm. We want to meet traders that we can hire at this P&L firm. The best students stand out, and we push them to apply to the firm after suitable training. Now look, some have no intention of becoming a prop trader. They just improve as a trader training with us and continue as an independent trader. Fine, terrific. In full transparency, some wouldn't be a good fit for our firm and aren't encouraged to apply to the firm. But that home run for all of us, for students and for our firm, is to meet the traders who we do want to hire. For those traders to be hired and then gain access to all of the firm resources provided to become a successful trader. And again, here's the link to our newest webinar that offers a lot of value for those working on getting better in their trading game and also talks about SMB DNA. I hope you enjoy it.